In front of me is XIAOMI 11 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then select All Services. Scroll down to click on Autofill with Google and click on Google Password Manager. Now click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit, enter your screen lock and hit Edit button. Now it's time to change whatever you want to. And when you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!